transformation. Transformation just means we're moving things around, making it look different. Linear transformation's a little bit boring. Usually they do this more for parabolas and stuff that's more interesting. Anyway, A is the number in front. There's your X. In the parentheses, you have H, and then plus C. C is the number by itself at the end. That's going to move your stuff up and down. If it's positive, it moves the whole graph up, so it just shifts everything up. If it's negative, it moves the whole line down. Now if it's in parentheses with the X like this, that's going to be your H. Now it's minus H. So normally you'd think positive stuff moves things to your right, but since this is negative, it does the opposite. So positive moves things left. So if it's positive, the whole line goes left. If it's negative, the whole thing goes right. And A is more complicated. We'll talk about that in a sec. A does a lot. It reflects across the x-axis. So normally your line's like this. If A is negative, that's going to flop it to go like that. A also, if A is bigger than 1, it calls it vertically stretching. So basically it's going to become steeper. So instead of going like that, it's going to go up faster. And if A is between 0 and 1, then it compresses vertically. So it goes from that to something flatter. And that's basically all there is to know about it.